Hey everybody, Evan with the Graniac here. Say I have a real special video for you today. It's not very long, it's really quick. Small little town I grew up in. Some of the folks been getting together for 40 years, and what they do is they make some sauerkraut. They order in, used to be 30, 40, 80 pounds of cabbage. They shred it up and they put it in a pail with some salt, and that's how you make sauerkraut. Over the years, it's been getting more and more popular, and more people in the city started finding out. I've been invited along the last 7 years. These are friends of mine, their families, family friends. I've been included for about 7 years now, and I just have a blast getting to know people. And this is the way that they've been doing it for a long time. This year they did 750 pounds of cabbage. Hey everybody, Evan with the Graniac here. Real special video. It's a quick one today, but there's a real loving family that lives pretty close to where I grew up that they've been getting together for 40 years, and they make sauerkraut. What we do is we order in this year 750 pounds of cabbage. Everybody gets together, we shred the cabbage, we put it in buckets with some salt, mix it up. Then we smash it with a big wooden smasher. Unfortunately, I didn't get that part on video. I didn't want to tape the whole thing of me at the place doing it just for privacy reasons, but I did get a few quick shots of that. It's just really special. Something they've allowed me to come with for the last 7 years. I've gotten to know this family fairly well, and we just have a blast doing this and make homemade cabbage, and it just goes with everything else that I do with the beer making and the wood making and doing all my own maintenance and the homesteading stuff. So I just thought I'd share with you real quick our annual Sauerkraut Fest and bring a dish to share. This year I made my homemade hamburger beef jerky, and it was a hit. People said it was the best jerky they've ever had. One guy slipped me his phone number, said to call him. He wants to donate some money for some jerky, but we don't know if we'll be doing that. I'll just give them some. But anyway, real quick video. Just thought I'd highlight my weekend. It's a blast to be among these people and the homesteaders and the people that really were doing this out of necessity 40 years ago. Because they wanted sauerkraut, they made sauerkraut. It wasn't something that they could have purchased, or maybe they didn't have the money, so you just make 5-gallon pail of it at a time, and it'll last you all year. So really cost effective the way they found out to do it. But enjoy the video, like, subscribe, try to make some good content, share it, comment. That really helps kind of bring it into the algorithms. But yeah, enjoy the video, and here we are making some sauerkraut. Thanks for watching. That's fun.
Ready with the new one.
You just cover everything. I don't know where you keep your cup and you don't have bugs in it.
Get some kraut. Just put a plate on top. Something to add a little bit of weight. Keep it mostly submerged in a loose fitting pail. You don't want to clasp it shut.